Separate the egg whites and the yolks in separate bowls before adding the white into your mixing bowl, which must be clean and grease free. This prevents any wastage of any eggs if a yolk splits, as this will prevent aeration from happening. Prepare a double boiler or bain-marie and then place a heat-proof bowl over to melt the chocolate. You're then going to whisk the egg whites until soft peaks form. Egg whites are made up of protein, which is a springy coil in shape, and the whisking stretches the protein, which then traps the air, which aerates your egg whites and creates a foam. We're then adding the sugar and continuing to whisk until stiff peaks form when you lift the whisk out. The sugar stabilises and sweetens the egg whites. If added too early, it delays foam formation. Once your chocolate's melted and your egg whites have been whisked to stiff peaks, you're going to fold just a small amount of the egg white mixture into the chocolate and beat it in just to soften and release the chocolate, and then very gently and carefully fold in the rest of the egg whites until thoroughly combined. And then you're then going to spoon it into 2 glasses and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours until set.